it's sinigang sa ube, a wild card.
Oh my God!
Oh, cheers!
Moss green!
Olive green.
Olive
Parang may
medyo
pagka-
gray green.
Oh. Hi!
Hi!
Hi guys! May idea ba kayo sa gagawin natin?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Alam ko lang may titikman.
Nakita namin sa TikTok, sikat na sikat yung ube ngayon. Ube is the new matcha.
Let's do this. Oh! Yema!
Ube yema.
Meron siyang ube chocolate.
It's rating from 0 to 10. If it's good or if it's bad.
Ito, Mish.
Ako sweet tooth kasi ako. Sa akin medyo...
Hindi masyado.
That's lang.
Pero lasa naman yung yema. Yema is egg yolk, di ba? In Spanish.
Lasa yung yaman.
Lasang-lasa yung egg
Yung
yolk.
egg yolk. Pero yung ube flavor niya.
Mas lasang-lasa ko yung egg yolk.
I think the good thing about it kasi, yung pagkayama, yung creaminess niya, yung taste ng sweetness nandoon.
When you say ube, ang first thing na pumapasok sa mind ko would be Good Shepherd from Baguio.
Kung nakapikit kayo, alam niyo bang ube yema kinakain nyo? Gano'n. Oo, gano'n.
I would say if I close my eyes tapos pinabite siya sa akin, I'd taste the egg yolk rather than the ube.
For me kasi yung hint, it's just medyo hint siya ng ube nandoon. Pero it's confusing a little bit sa sweetness kasi yung kondensada.
Yeah. I'd say, for me, it's mga 6.
6 or 7 ako eh. 6, parang nandun ako.
Okay, thank you guys.
So let's go for ube number 2.
Ube mochi.
Ube mochi, guys. Fusion dessert featuring a chewy Japanese rice cake, exterior stuffed with dense ube halaya.
Glutinous rice siya, so healthy to. Ito yung ginagamit pang palitaw.
Well, ito yung...
Sige, tingnan natin kung gaano siya ka-ube. Meron siyang ube feeling.
For me, it's more of red bean paste yung lalasahan ko. Mas mung bean yung feeling niya sa loob. Tapos, I think hinalo lang nila yung ube doon sa glutinous rice, but you don't actually.
So, para siyang flavoring with flavor.
Pero kaya siya ubusin.
Pero mas lamang yata sa akin yung ube 1 kasi dito.
Oo. Ito parang wala. Parang ano na lang talaga. Parang... Buksan natin isa pa. Baka malasahan.
Hindi ako naubos mo.
Hindi, pero talaga, promise. Pero hindi ko malasahan.
So very very light lang siya, ganun.
Makalula talaga malasahan.
Coloring lang. Or sa perspective ko. But the glutinous rice
More on the coloring
itself,
lang.
yung consistency, okay yung consistency niya.
So, for ratings, Emma? 1.
1?
Pagsak siya sa akin.
Ube color.
Color lang siya. Nakuha niya yung color.
Ube color 10.
Yes.
Taste 1.
Okay.
What's this?
Ay, what's this?
Ube otap.
Okay.
So guys, for ube number 3 is ube otap. The famous flaky sugar-coated Cebuano puff pastry given a colorful purple upgrade. Ano pa lang mga favorite ube food nyo or dishes nyo normally?
Ako, I like ube, yung pang-Pasko.
Well, aside from kasi common sa atin yung halaya talaga, yun yung naging medyo trendsetter ng ube. Yun, so enjoy ko yung red ribbon na ube cake.
I guess a cake.
Di ba?
Ube cake. I love ube cake.
Sakto yung lasa niya, pati yung ano eh.
So guys, anong masasabi nyo sa ube otap?
Is it giving or not
No.
giving? It's not giving.
It's otap.
Yeah, it's
But not
autumn,
ube.
but not ube. No, color.
Color again.
Ube.
But then again, you don't get the ube flavor from it.
Yeah, no.
No.
Yeah, it's just a biscuit na kinolor ng...
So, anong rating na ibibigay mo dyan, Andre?
Bilis.
Andre, you
One.
1? Grabe.
No, ube.
Ang taas ng standards ng mga guests natin ngayon.
It's good. It's honest review.
Very honest.
Honest review.
So, ready na ba tayo sa ube number 4?
Number 4. Bon. Oh, wow. Meron pala dito si Gardenia.
Gardenia Buchanan.
Ito may ube.
Ano yan? Toppings yan.
Ito may...
Toppings.
Okay, ay, wow. This looks good.
Ay,
I think this
mahalaya.
one, yeah.
Mahalaya siya sa loob. Hindi ko nasa 8 to sa akin.
Ito, okay ito.
So, they really wanted the ube halaya na feel. Because that's,
Feeling ko rin.
yun yung ina-associate talaga natin sa ube, di ba?
So yung feeling niya is parang ube halaya talaga. Yung
Okay.
flavor din niya.
Ube talaga siya. Medyo matamis lang siya.
Yeah, it's a little bit. Pero ma-enjoy siya ng taste buds ng Pinoy. Malapit siya doon sa pan de regla yata o pan de coco yung tamis.
I'd say 9.
Siya na. I think, since hindi ko pa natitikman yung iba, I'm gonna give it an 8. Pero ito na yung highest score.
Yeah. Ako rin.
Thank you so much.
So guys, ube number 5, ube polvoron.
Polvoron.
So, ube polvoron is a crumbly, melt-in-your-mouth candy made of toasted flour and milk supercharged with the sweetness of, well, ube.
Magkakalat na po kami dito.
So bright. Kuwang-kuha.
Actually, maganda yung color niya to be honest.
Meron siyang
It's more polvoron na gatas lang ang madalas.
may lasa pero hindi siya ganun ka... hindi mo siya yung tipong madidistinguish mo siya ng
Yeah. Yung aftertaste yung hint ng ube, it's very mild.
So, it's really creamy but without the ube as advertised. Wala siyang ganung flavor.
Hindi mo siya masyadong... Hindi madidistinguish yung pagka-ube.
Okay, so for our rating, guys, Andre?
Ako, 3.
3 din ako.
Okay. Parang ang dami nyo na kinain, parang dapat yung next ube nyo, inumin naman. Are you ready for ube number 6?
Okay.
Anong pick-up coffee? Pick-up coffee.
Fall to our introduction na ube is the new matcha. Okay.
Cheers.
Okay, so caffeine-free favorite from Pickup Coffee. Yeah.
Yes. It's so good.
Like, yeah.
So, isang sip-sip pa lang ramdam ang ube, ganon.
Yes.
It's not too sweet.
Mm.
And hindi siya suya.
Hindi siya na
Oo.
masuya. Masarap siya actually. Ano yung mga parang ube ice cream na minel?
Pero yung important doon is nandun yung flavor ng ube.
Yes. I think
Very much.
may 10 na ako ata. Parang 10 to for me. This is 10 for me.
Yeah. I think-
Kung deserve naman niya, di ba?
Yes.
It's
It really
really
tastes
baka
like
naman.
ube. It doesn't taste like it really is ube.
It's giving.
Yeah, it's giving the ube.
Epic.
Stand for me.
10 for Emma.
Wow.
Sa'yo din, 10?
Wow.
Wow, ganun ba kasarap
Yeah,
yan?
an absolute winner.
Thumbs up to Pickup Coffee.
Oh, kasi-
It's so good.
It's really good.
It's really good.
So guys, for your ube number 7, may idea ba kayo kung ano yan?
I don't know, what's this? It's like, kakanin.
I'm not sure. Kasi, pero,
Pero
It
I'm
came
sure
from
it's kakanin.
oo.
This one is Maha Blanca. Yun pa rin.
So guys, for our ube number 7 is inutak.
Ay, inutak. Wala nga ata.
So it usually looks like this.
Well, usually nasa llanera siya.
Llanera, pero hindi pa siya na-mix-mix yung nasa ibabaw yung ano.
Something like that.
Nahalo na talaga siya.
It's
Ano?
from Pateros.
Oh, parang yan yung sikat dito sa Pateros, no?
Oo.
Inutak, balot.
Tsaka itlog na maalat. Or native delicacies of Pateros.
Since we're talking about ube, I can't taste the ube. But it's good.
So parang pagka nagkikrave ka sa ube, hindi ito yung something na hahanapin mo. Oh.
Ube level.
And then overall na.
Hindi, ube level. Ube level.
2.
Nasa 2 ako.
We'll prepare ube number 8.
Ube spaghetti. Cheers.
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 So guys, for ube number 8 is instant ube champurrado. Dapat nandun yung instant na word.
Okay, let's taste.
Blow muna, don't forget.
Scoop ng masarap.
Nababa, nababa, wala sa piling mo.
More on, ano siya, yung instant flavor, artificial flavoring. Hindi siya ganun ka-ube. Malagkit yung rice, but then if... the ube is not there.
Not giving. Mapapaupo.
Wala talaga. It's not there.
Wala.
Artificial flavor na walang flavor.
But they got the color, right?
I'd say I'd give it a 2.
2. Okay.
Or maybe 3. Maybe 3 because there are chunks of it.
For me, it's...
Very artificial.
Okay.
Very, very artificial.
We'll head off to...
Sabi na nanay ko, pag wala na akong masasabi.
For ube number 9, it's sinigang sa ube, a wild card.
Oh my
A total
gosh!
mind bender. This takes the classic sour tamarind pork soup and thickens the savory broth with mashed ube for a meaty umami explosion.
Naturally naman
Amoy
kasi...
nga ng sinigang.
It smells like sinigang here.
Lasang kamote. Gabi.
Mas magkabi siya para sa akin. Kasi technically, yung consistency niya already is malapit.
Well, ang nagpalagay is the
ube.
ube.
Starch ng ube, it works. But the flavor is still sinigang.
Parang
Sweetness
ano
ba siya?
talaga,
May sweetness
wala.
ba siya?
No sweetness.
So parang yung color lang yung iba sa kanya. Yung nagpa-ube sa kanya.
Yeah, color lang. Really, this is the first time na nakatry ako ng
Ang savory na
oo,
ube.
na ube. Hindi siya yung mga for dessert. But it's good. Ako, I'd say it's a 6 or 7.
Yan ang overall na.
6, 7.
Yeah.
6.
Alright!
I'll say it's a 7. Kasi hindi naman siya wala na talaga yung sweetness nito. But the texture of the ube is there.
Okay.
And it's different. It's unique.
Yan, nasa 7 din ako. Pero ubiness for me, it's a little bit low. So, nalalabanan kasi ako ng ideal na flavor ng sinigang na
Ng
gusto ko
sinigang
na
na.
asim talaga. So, kaya hindi ko siya mabigyan ng 8 or 9 on how sinigang brings out the Filipino culture.
Yeah.
Diba?
Combination-wise, ang galing na lahat.
For our last ube, feeling ko para to kay Emma.
Yes, feeling ko din.
Feeling ko mag-enjoy si Emma dito sa last ube natin.
Ube dinuguan.
Ayun ba gusto ko?
Hanko!
So guys, for ube number 10, it's ube lager beer.
Oh my gosh, wait
So first time nyo na
Yes! First time!
maka-encounter ng ube flavored beer.
Oh, well, yes.
Oh my gosh! Smells like beer. Young Blood.
I-pour
Watch
nyo.
naman yung movie namin, Young Blood.
Ayan. O, i-plug mo na yan, Emma, kahit wala pa kaming
Yeah,
followers.
Nakita ko yung plan ko kasi yun, ano siya, force siya na nakatawa. So watch it, Young Blood, nasa iWat TV pa rin siya. Ay, what's this color? Oh my gosh! Bakit
Tingnan na yung Encanto.
Oh my
Kaya
gosh,
magagaling
parang siyang
mo.
ano, efficacy oil. Olive
Medyo gray-green siya. Moss green.
Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers!
Meron siyang, ano, aftertaste.
Totoo na lasan.
Ng ube.
So lasa ba siyang beer?
Beer. Beer na may aftertaste ng ube.
Yung sweetness niya,
Hindi siya
It's not
sweet.
sweet.
anong maibibigay nating rating dito?
It's like 4, 3,
4?
4.
4. And Andre?
No, it's
So-
like 3, sorry.
3.
Yeah.
Ubiness level for me, I think it's a 1.
I'll give it a 4. I'll give it a 4.
Bumabalik.
So I could say, I could give it a 3.
Alam mo
This
siya
one is-
habang tumatagal.
Lalo sumasarap. Parang ano yun.
Habang
Hindi mo
tumatagal.
na nilidistinguish.
I know, but no.
Ito na yan, sa bubble siya na.
Nandun na siya.
Sa bubbles.
It's there. Okay, I'll give it a 5. Sorry. Sorry.
Effect na to ng beer.
Yeah.
Feeling ko din.
It's there, pero lasa pa rin yung beer. But it's, yeah, I'll give it a 5 lang. That's it. I'm okay with a 5.
So, yan na yung last natin and we have a clear winner. Kita-kita naman, nandyan pa sa lamesa niyo.
Pinatanggal niya kanina.
Yes.
Yeah, it's still here. It's
But I
still
tried it also. It's very good. Diba? Lasa mo si ube, tas creamy. Parang it's like yema no?
Yeah.
Yema na drink.
Ano naman ang masasabi niyo sa experience niyo? Pilot episode natin to.
My bird, it's really, smells like ube. No, it doesn't smell like ube, it's ube. It's the smell of ube.
Yun lang guys. Thank you.
Oh,
for having us.
Thank you for having us.
Remember, Epic Eats.
Yes, thank you, Epic Eats.